Hey guys, this is Louis Merchant here in the town of Holmes, New York. I'm your Beacon Realtor and I'm here to show you a property tour of this beautiful home. There's a lot of perks in this house. It has a guest house, it has an accessory room downstairs, and there's so many things to see, so many things to talk about. On the left side, you're able to see the guest house. On the right, an extra garage alongside to the garage that is downstairs. They have a great big area to do barbecues, have your family over. Along with the beautiful view. They have a lot of land to do whatever you please. As you head inside, on your right side, you have the kitchen. This is the area where all the magic happens. On the right side, this is one of 5 bathrooms in this property. On the left side, you're able to access the basement, huge basement, unfinished. That door takes you to the accessory apartment. It could be a mother and daughter. On the second floor, on the left side, there's a room. There's another room. And this is the second bathroom of 5 bathrooms in the property. This is your master bedroom. You have views into the backyard. You also have access to the outside. Stunning views. This property has access to the Interstate 84, just a couple of minutes away. It has many trails to walk. This is your guest house. Again, you could have this as passive income along with the accessory apartment. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment. This is Louis Merchant, your Beacon Realtor. Until next time.